Hello everyone, I'm Aaron Williams. I am super pumped today for today's unboxing. I got my new Medtronic diabetic pump. As most of you know, I've been diabetic for almost 18 years now. And I've had the 670G for the last 2.5 years, and they just came out with a newer version. It took me a couple months to get this, but it was worth the wait. So today I wanted to unbox it in front of you, but some of the highlights of having the pump the last two and a half years, I've been in better moods, I feel better, I have more energy, I have better control of my blood glucose levels, my A1Cs are better, everything's been better. Just even when I exercise, I have better control. Just in general, it's much better than when I used to do the insulin injection, so it's amazing how technology has made just life better. So out with the new, in with the new. Let's open this bad boy up. I want to thank Medtronic for being so on top of their game. Their customer service is phenomenal. I was shocked when I called the other day to just do the billing information and just everything in general. Just their care factor is through the roof. So huge shout out to Medtronic. I'm a huge believer in your product. All right, let's show everybody what we got in here. So I do have a sensor as well. I have the Guardian sensor. Hello, kitty. Are you gonna help us? All right, so here's just the generic invoices. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty looking. All right, then we have, looks like some more information. I'll have to do a lot of reading on this. There's some more new features. I have an AccuCheck, so testing my blood sugar. I haven't done a ton of research on that, but I believe that there's some, I have an app on my phone now that I believe I can see my blood sugars. So that'll be really cool. It's Bluetooth, so it'll connect with the Medtronic device. Anytime I test my blood sugar with my other monitor, it links together. So that's a really cool feature. Medtronic gave me a nice Medtronic bag. I love this. Just to carry supplies. I really don't have a good area for this, so this is really cool that they did that. And then we got, looks like the case, the silicone case for the pump itself. Backup for the battery, and then lastly, what do we got here? This is to return my old one. Okay. All right. So let's show a little bit closer view. The packaging is pretty cool, actually. I'm not gonna lie. This is even better than when the last time I got this pump. So again, this is the 670G. This is the 770G, and I believe they're in works with the 780. I believe that's a software update. But I'm impressed with this packaging. That's actually pretty cool. All right, we're gonna unveil the MiniMed Medtronic 770G. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. All right. Go a little bit closer. It looks very similar to the one I have right now, almost identical. Obviously, the software is going to be much better, and that's the reason why I wanted to get this upgrade. What do we got in here? Some more information. This is a heavy-duty box. Oh, they have a bottom drawer. Look at this thing. Medtronic, you are on top of your game. And then a big manual. All right. So again, I want to thank Medtronic. You guys are amazing. Thank you for all you do for diabetes. And again, if you want to keep up with me or you have questions about my diabetes, please reach out. I'd be more than happy to help any of you. If you're recently diagnosed, you've had diabetes for X amount of time, please reach out. I want to be able to give back to all the people that took care of me. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.